Hi, I live in the North Texas area, and recently we got ravaged by quite a few heavy storms. My house got hit by lightning. We had some roof and structural damage to the exterior walls, and we appreciate that CJ Hewitt coming in and doing all the repairs for us. It was nice that we could team up with someone we could trust, the candor that they provided, and it was just nice that we had someone else dealing with the insurance companies besides us, that they could tell us the ins and outs of the construction business. And so again, we appreciate all that the CJ Hewitt Construction Company has done for us.